Thanks for joining us at 9. I'm Bailey Cornick. Here with me, of course, is meteorologist Alan Holt. I thought this planet here was going to be yellow. This is a pretty dumb assumption, but I was shocked to see that it wasn't.
I mean, yeah, well, it's lemon-shaped, right?
Right.
So, yeah, that's a pretty
One
natural assumption. Yeah, you would
mind.
think like, yeah.
Well,
exactly.
back down to Earth, we had quite a windy day.
Yes, it was windy outside today. Had some gusts up over 60 miles per hour in spots. The wind is dying down, though, tonight, so... that's good.
Yes, and you can see earlier today, this is actually right outside our station, the wind was just driving, whipping the flags there. And that wind, of course, has led to some power outages. At our last check, Central Maine Power is reporting more than 44,000 customers are without power. Versant is reporting more than 21,000 customers, and Eastern Maine Electric reports just over 2,000.